So, hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to come here and tell you what we do at Viralgen, what we were doing, and what we will do in the coming months and years. So, the next challenge that we are now having with the AAV manufacturing is the scale-up manufacturing. So we can do it at 200. Many companies can do it at 200 liters, 500 liters. Now the next step is going beyond that. Viralgen is a CDMO company specialized in the manufacturing of RAAV viral vectors using the protein platform. So what we have right now, Viralgen has two facilities already running in Europe, with one for specifically for clinical materials, in where we can do batches from 250 liters and 500 liters, full GMP, basically for clinical phase 1 and 2, with in-house process development labs and QC labs, which is very important also in terms of AAV. We have internalized more of the 75% of the testing that is needed, not only for the final product, but for intermediates and also for raw materials. Since June last year, we already opened a new facility, also in Europe. It's the commercial facility with also 3 independent suites in the first module, another 2 modules with space for growing in the future. In this facility, these 3 independent rooms are able to run 2,000-liter bioreactors. And the next steps are planned to have facilities in the USA, as cannot be in any other way, and the facility in the USA is planned for 2025. So, but what brings even more value to our customers, to our partners at the end, is not only the facilities and the capabilities that we have and that we prove that are working, it's also the experience and the knowledge that we can bring to our partners and our customers. Since the 2019, where the first facility, the clinical one, was approved by the European agency, till today, we already produce more than 650 AAV batches, in where more than 60 were GMP batches, full GMP batches, and 7 are already 2,000-liter batches. So with more than 7 different serotypes tested in our platform, in the protein platform. So this they gave us a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge in production of AAV products. But what gave us also is a lot of data on the platform that we can leverage for all our customers. So, and the other very much important point that we can help and support our partners with is on the CMC files. We already have worked on 24 files. 11 were already approved by the agencies. By the way, more than 70% of them were by the FDA, so we are in the USA. And on these 11 that were already clear, we have already 6 with patients already treated, which is also very important. So what is saying that slide and that data is that we have experience in supporting our partners with the agencies, which is also very important. You know, I mean, it's time at the end. It's effort that we can help with to our customers and to our partners. So at the end, they save time and they save problems, let's say in that way, okay? So why Viralgen is different? So Viralgen is different in speed to market, and we like very much to say speed to market, speed to patients at the end. We can go from the earlier research and development stage, starting with the feasibility study at 2 liters for your gene of interest in our platform, to GMP production for clinical phase 1 and 2, from 6 to 9 months. And then the other very, very big jump that you need to go is from GMP, from this GMP production for early clinical phases to commercial production, to commercial manufacturing in 12 to 18 months. This includes all the process characterization, all the PPQs that we could need or not. It depends. I mean, that's something that it's something where we can support going into the agencies to explore options of going into that pathway, since the agencies, for these products are quite open to listen to different possibilities. The second differentiate value that we can support is the scalability and optimal development. So we can support our partners, our customers from the very early development till the 2,000-liter scale to go to the commercial process. So with one-stop shop for research and development, which make it very quick for very easygoing, let's say, as much easygoing can be AAV products going to commercial, but easygoing for our partners because they can leverage all the knowledge and all the experience that we have, and also the data that we have in our platform about yield and with the different serotypes that we already tested. The third one, very, very important, is about the people. We are today more than 430 people with a deep scientific knowledge. More than 20% of our people is PhD experience, and mainly in AAV. Then very low turnover, less than 3%. So keep the talent is key for us. Keep the knowledge is key for us. Keep the experience is key for us. I mean, it's key for us because it's key for our partners, for our customers. And then also a deep skill set in scale-up and commercialization, because we need to combine all this knowledge, scientific knowledge, plus operational and commercialization knowledge in order to support our customers and partners from the very beginning till the end. And finally, so last but not least, and that's something that is very, very important for us, and we are partnering with Columbus Children Foundation in the USA and with Columbus Foundation in Europe in those rare diseases, because we think that if we produce something and we can support children that need help or with these ultra-rare diseases, families that are really suffering on that, it's important that we give back something to the society and to these children in that sense. So this is a girl that is very special for us. This is Irai. She's a AADC affecting girl. She was surging a few years ago, and now she can walk, she can talk. She was in the facility. Yes, it's important for all of us and for all the people working in Viralgen, knowing that we are doing something else, that not only producing, we are helping and supporting people and supporting families that really have real dramas, not what in other cases we call dramas. So at the end, we offer, yes, scalable manufacturing is what we were talking till now, platform that we help your programs going from early research and development stages. We can do the process development on your specific gene of interest in how these behaviors in our platform, to the commercialization of the process, supporting you in all the steps, including that is sometimes is a part that we don't mention, but science, of course, QC, of course, but also in that times that are so crazy, supporting with a very good supply chain and very good supply chain team, and ensuring that you will have all the materials that you need to produce your products when you need to produce your products. So that's something that also we can leverage, having different a platform from different products that can ensure that. It's not a minor topic, since the ones that are in the industry, you know that the last 2-3 years we were suffering a lot, but fortunately, and that's something good, we didn't have to stop, neither to delay any batch, which is important due to that. But yes, we can support your programs with much capacity from early feasibility studies in 2 liters to late stages and commercialization of the product. I'm going just to go to the summary. So Viralgen, at Viralgen, we think and we know that we are your solution for bringing your products from the research, development to commercialization steps with a strong science-based approach, as I told you, many PhDs, and very low turnover in our knowledge and our people that could allow us to have a lot of experience and a lot of expertise to support you on the CMC packages to go to the agencies, which is, at the end, time and money for the companies. Focus on speed to market, speed to patients, as I mentioned before, through a deep knowledge and a lot of experience in commercial manufacturing and commercialization of the products, with our production at 2,000 liters. And of course, with a purpose driving with our corporate social responsibility through this Columbus Venture Partner, Columbus Children's Foundation and the Columbus Foundation. So I hope that I answered some questions about Viralgen, but I hope that you still have many more that we can answer during these 2 days, my colleagues of Viralgen, that we are here in the event. Okay, so thank you very much. That's it.